Hey conscious gearheads, welcome to Throwback Thanksgiving Thursday, where we're diving into an exciting journey, the birth of a game-changing hydration system design. This is the first episode in a series that chronicles years of prototyping and development. It all began in the summer of 2020, when Charlotte started sketching her vision for the perfect hydration solution. Frustrated with the limited options for bigger bodies, she wasn't sure whether to pursue a vest or pack design, so she decided to explore both. Charlotte took a methodical approach, gathering various clearance and second-hand hydration vests to study. She created detailed lists breaking down must-have features, nice-to-haves, and elements she could skip. Diving deep into research, she studied soft goods construction and technical gear manufacturing, carefully noting potential challenges ahead. Looking back at her initial sketches, you can see Charlotte wrestling with different concepts. Should it be more like a technical shirt, a traditional pack, a vest? Ultimately, she landed on an innovative hybrid design that combined the best elements of both vest and pack styles. With her rough but promising pattern in hand, she was ready to create. For her first prototype, Charlotte got creative with materials. She combined upholstery fabric from Joann's with ripstop from a local deadstock store and scored an amazing find, 3D spacer mesh from Goodwill. Add in some zippers, shock cord, buckles and Velcro, and she was ready to bring her vision to life. The result? A grey-toned camo pack that, while rough around the edges, taught invaluable lessons. The water-resistant camo fabric wasn't quite waterproof enough, and the structure needed work, especially when loaded with a water bladder. But there were wins too. The mesh proved perfect, and the multiple pocket design showed real promise. However, the side panels needed refinement, and the front zipper's durability concerns led to a complete rethink of the closure system.
Today's sponsor is Conscious Gear, innovators of VestaPak, the world's first hydration vest specifically designed for taller, curvier, more muscular, and bigger bodies. Now everyone can hydrate comfortably and effectively during endurance activities. The vest-style design fits diverse body types, weighs less than typical packs, and feels as comfortable as your favorite fitted sports shirt, all while allowing unrestricted movement. Experience the difference when your hydration gear is truly made for your body. Are you ready to elevate your fitness experience? Buy your VestaPak now at consciousgear.com and find out if you wear size Earth, Wind, or Fire. At Conscious Gear, we're committed to empowering bigger bodies to thrive as endurance athletes, because every body is an athlete's body.
Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore round 2 of the research and development process. This is where things really get interesting. Thanks for gearing up with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more conscious gear development content. See you on the trails.